Hey Jerry, my name is Lance Little. I spoke with Taylor earlier today and just talked about sending over this quick video just to show you a couple tips and tricks to resolve a few minor issues that I found on your website. So when you search up, St. George HVAC or any other keywords when people are looking for HVAC work, this is the layout that you're going to find on Google. Up top they have the different ads and the businesses paying for those ads. Ads are hit or miss because some people have ad blockers on, so you're not getting fully, I guess, what you pay for if some people aren't even seeing it. Anyways, then you come down and this is the Google Map Pack. We'll talk about how to get in there, get listed up top there. And then this is just your basic organic listings where um, Google, it's like a big popularity contest. The more content, the more keywords, the more backlinks you're gonna end up at the top of this page. So speaking of content and backlinks, so there's three things that I just wanted to touch on in this video real quick, and those are the content, the backlinks, and then citations. Now, if we jump over to your website, um, you got a lot of good images. It's the layout's straightforward and easy to navigate, which is awesome. The thing that Google looks for with content to be labeled as an authority for Google or with Google, um, they want to see at least 1,500 words of content on your homepage. Unfortunately, that's not including your reviews. So I already put your content in this word counter here. You can kind of see your different words and content, but you're just shy of 200 words. So that's 1,300 words that essentially you're missing out on to be up there in that popularity contest, as we would say. 1,300 times that you could be using different keywords, search words for when people are looking. How do I fix my AC, or St. George AC companies and companies near me, different things like that. Um, so that's the first thing. So the content they're looking for 1,500 words. The second thing is your backlinks. Backlinks is just another website that's referring your website or referring people um, to Davis Airtec. Now, this is just a tool that we use. It's called Ahrefs. It's a paid program. You can get it, or there's plenty of other free programs out there that you guys can use. But so you can see here, you have 14 backlinks and 5 referring domains, meaning there's 5 domains that you have that are referencing your site 14 times. Now, if we pull it up. If we pull up one of your competitors, they have 180 referring domains that are referencing back to this website, Alpine Temp in your area, 457 times. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some are higher quality, some are lower quality, but if you matched them, let's say you just took every single one that they had and got a few more, essentially you would beat them and upped your content to 1,500. You would, according to Google, you would take this top spot and be ranked number 1 on Google's first search page here. And so everybody would be seeing Davis Airtec when they're looking for work. So there's the content and the backlinks side of things. The last one, citations, has to deal with this map pack right here. So this is so the more times that you have your business name, address, and phone number listed across the internet, the more likely you are to have these number one spots. And that's just getting your name out in different online directories. That could be, Facebook, White Pages, Yellow Pages, Yelp, Angie's List, local Southern Utah. There's hundreds of different directories out there that, again, if you just look these guys up and copy the same directories that they have, that they're in, and added a few more, essentially you would take this top spot as well. So as soon as people looked up St. George HVAC, apart from the ads up top, they would see Davis Airtec and Davis Airtec, and potentially that's where they would go, the number one on Google. But anyways, so that's just what I wanted to share with you real quick today. Again, that's just content, backlinks, and citations. This is something that it's a little time consuming and maybe annoying to figure out, but your office ladies can totally do this and start working your way up there. Or your second option is to reach back out to me if this is something that you feel you would like to take a look at and move forward with. You can, again, just reach out to me, let me know, and we can sit down and talk about your goals and where you want to take your business. But other than that, thanks for listening, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.